What's going on, YouTube? I'm gonna make another video. As before, I was doing the insulation. It's a pretty day outside, but yeah, I've just been working a lot, but I'm getting there. I got this far back wall to do, but there's a window right here, so that shouldn't be too bad. I just measured the front two. They're the same size, and then I have one in the back. It's just a 24 by 24. So I still have little areas to do that aren't exactly the right width. I gotta do that one. It just has a lot of boxes that I don't like to deal with. The main reason I was gonna make this video is because I'll show you this example. So the insulation wasn't long enough, so I stuffed some extra in there, but I'm gonna come back. If y'all ever have any spots like that where it's gapped and you don't have enough, but you want to go ahead and use that piece and it's at the bottom or the top, I'm gonna use some Gorilla Tape and tape that off to help, but I was just gonna state that using some tape over that seam wherever it's split would help. I'm trying to think of another good example. Let's see. There hasn't been many spots I've had to do that. It's just like when I do my first one, for some reason the padding, the insulation is longer than the actual paper behind it, so sometimes I have to do that. But anyway, yeah, just a short video to let y'all know. I mean, let's say that it was split right here, you know. If you wanted to not make a solid piece, you could just tape that over with some duct tape or Gorilla Tape, and that would help seal that up. But yeah, it's coming along. There's still a bunch of stuff I need to get out of here. My next project is gonna be, I'm thinking about hiring somebody to do the sheetrock just because I've been working a lot. The bathrooms, I'm gonna wait on. I'm just focusing on getting the rooms and the hallway done right now. But I mean, let me know what y'all think. Should I pay somebody? It was around $5 grand for putting it up, mudding it, texturing it, and then buying the sheetrock and bringing it here. Or I could do it. I get a week off soon, but yeah, you'll just let me know. Anyway, until next time, I'll talk to y'all later.